Ajay sir, working with Tabuji again for the first time. This is as fresh as ever. Question भी यही हटके होगा. सर कैसा लगा उनके साथ पहली बार काम करके?
अभी कुछ लगता ही नहीं है. अभी इतना काम कर लिया साथ में, ऐसे कुछ लगता ही नहीं है कि सेट पे किसी को स्टार के साथ काम कर रहा है.
औरों में कहाँ दम था कि मेरे साथ इतनी फिल्में कर लेते.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. अच्छा हम लोग सही जा रहे हैं. तबू मैम, माई हार्ट स्किप्ड अ बीट जब वो आपको ऊपर से अजय सर देख रहे हैं, आप गाड़ी से उतर रहे हो. ऐसे क्या होता है सेट पे जब ऑफ कोर्स एक ब्रेक के बाद आप दोनों मिलते हो एक दूसरे को? हाउ इज द वाइब लाइक, या क्या हो रहा होता है उस वक्त?
इन द फिल्म और
रियल लाइफ.
रियल लाइफ में मैं बताता हूँ.
रियल लाइफ में
जैसे-
बोल ही नहीं सकते.
एक सेकंड. रियल लाइफ में जैसे शॉट पूरा होता है, आके बैठो, इसका वो कंप्लेनिंग चालू हो जाता है. ये हो गया है, वो देख गर्मी कितनी है, ये देख ये हो गया, तो यही चलता है बस.
और इसकी गॉसिप शुरू हो जाती.
मेरी कोई गॉसिप नहीं होती, मैं गॉसिप करता ही
झूठ
नहीं.
मत बोल, सबके बारे में पूछता है मेरे को.
ये बड़े सारे राज खुल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. जिमी सर,
मतलब तुझे पता होता है सबके बारे में.
जिमी सर, दिस वंस फॉर यू. जैसा मैंने कहा, कोई भी लव स्टोरी आपके बिना पूरी नहीं होती. जब ये फिल्म आई थी सर, क्या चल रहा था जहन? यू कंप्लीट द थिंग, यू नो.
मैं हंस रहा था जब आपने ये बोला था कि कोई लव स्टोरी कंप्लीट नहीं होती. बट क्या बोलूं यार.
इफ यू नो वाला फंडा था यहाँ पे जी.
हाँ.
A man of few words. Give it up for Jimmy Paji, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, sir. MM Cream Saab, thank you so much, sir, for gracing the event. Thank you so much for being here. Working with this stellar cast, and of course, the director Saab here. How was it, collaborating with Neeraj sir, and what all was going on while you were working on the songs? Because whatever we just heard is out of the world.
First of all, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you very much for being here. Right from the days I was working with Bhatt Saab from Zakham days, where I had the privilege of working with Ajay ji. So, media used to ask me, why are you doing only for Bhatt Saab in Hindi? So, I used to correct them. So, please, change your question. Why are they giving me why only Bhatt Saab is giving me chances? So, after the interview was done, every time I used to ask myself a question. औरों में कहाँ दम था? तो आंसर मिल गया. In form of Neeraj Pandey. So it's working with Neeraj ji is like staying at home, because the place where I work here and the Mumbai itself become a home away from home. Thank you, Neeraj ji, for believing in me constantly. And this film has been a very great journey for the past 2 years, and we enjoyed every moment of it. I hope you will enjoy the film too. Thank you.
But I must say, when Neeraj narrated me the script, it really touched me, it really moved me. And then, you know what sealed it was when Neeraj immediately narrated me this, made me hear the song. The
One song was recorded when we had met.
and it was just apt, and everything fell into place.
And it is beautiful, whatever we've just heard. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing that. Sai and Shantanu, this one's for you. You know, you're playing these wonderful characters on screen. If in real life you had to imbibe some quality or some values from these two stalwarts, you know, Ajay sir and Tabu ma'am, क्या होगा वो जो अपने अंदर लेना चाहेंगे? Sai?
I think for me, growing up, my father's favorite actor has always been Tabu ma'am, and he's told me this time and again since they worked in Astitva together. So I think her choreograph and her journey is so inspiring, and Ajay sir's versatility is so inspiring for any young actor. And I think, yeah, these two.
Shantanu.
Quite same, I would say. Tabu ma'am, obviously, her performances and her versatility as well. And with Ajay sir, I think sir ki choice of picking up stories and coming up with something new, and his dialogue delivery, obviously, which you said. So I think that, yeah. Yeah, it's something else.
औरों में कहाँ
Hits,
दम?
it hits different, yeah.
It does. It does. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the cast of this amazing film, Auron Mein Kaha Dam.